Good morning students, I am Shilpa teacher. Today we are going to start with divisions of integers. In previous standard already you have learned when positive integer is dividing positive integer. For example, we will solve this 6 divided by 3. It can be written as 6 divided by 3. So its answer is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So answer is 2. Next is 10 divided by 5. It is written as 10 divided by 5. So this positive integer divided by positive integer. So it can be written as 5 into 2 and 5 into 1. So 5 gets cancelled. Answer will be 2. Next question is C. 66 divided by 11. So it will be 66 divided by 11. So it will be 11 into 6 and this will be 11 into 1. 11 gets cancelled. 6. So here what result we have got? Positive integer divided by positive integer. What will be answer for this? For that, just check these results. Positive integer divided by positive integer, answer is positive. Here also positive integer divided by positive integer, answer is positive. Positive integer divided by positive integer, answer is positive. So we got this result. Positive integer divided by positive integer, answer will be positive. Consider next case when positive integer is divided by negative integer. For example, 7 is positive. It is divided by minus 2. So it can be written as 7 divided by minus 2. Here this 7 I can write as 7 into 1. And this 2 can be written as 2 into minus 1. Again just I will separate this all. It can be written as 7 divided by 2 into 1 divided by minus 1. So it will be 7 divided by 2 into minus 1. So answer will be minus 7 divided by 2. Consider next example. 9 divided by minus 3. So that can be written as 9 divided by minus 3. So just write this as 9 into 1 divided by 3 into minus 1. We have separated minus sign from 3. So again separate this term from this term. 9 by 3 into 1 divided by minus 1. So 9 divided by 3 will be 3 into 3 divided by 3 into 1. So 3 gets cancelled into this will be minus 1. So it will be 3 into minus 1. So answer will be minus 3. So just observe these two results. Positive integer divided by negative integer, answer is negative. Positive integer divided by negative integer, answer is negative. So from this we have got this result. Positive integer divided by negative integer, answer will be negative. Now third case is negative integer divided by negative integer. Minus 14 divided by minus 2. It can be written in this way. So just I will try to remove this negative sign. How we can write that? 14 into minus 1 and 2 into minus 1. As these numbers are same, they are getting cancelled. So 14 can be written as now 2 into 7 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Answer will be 7 and it is positive. Consider second example. Minus 15 divided by minus 3. So it can be written as minus 15 divided by minus 3. Here also write this negative sign separately. 15 into minus 1 and 3 into minus 1. Again it will get cancelled. 15 divided by 3. So 15 can be written as 5 into 3 divided by 3 into 1. So 3 gets cancelled. Answer will be positive 5. So from this 2, what result we are going to get? Negative integer divided by negative integer, answer is positive. Negative integer divided by negative integer, answer is positive. So what result we got? Negative integer divided by negative integer, answer is positive. Just remember one important thing. Denominator of quotient should be positive. For example, 7 divided by minus 2. Here denominator is negative. So this type of method we can't follow. It should be minus 7 divided by 2. Denominator should be positive. Again suppose minus 11 divided by minus 3. So here as minus sign is present, that will get cancelled. It will be 11 by 3. Suppose minus 9 divided by minus 4. Here also negative gets cancelled, 9 by 4. Next suppose 5 divided by minus 3. So it can be written as minus 5 divided by 3. Just check everywhere denominator is positive. So just we have to remember that denominator of quotient should be positive. Again one thing remember that we can't divide any number by 0. 11 divided by 0, it is not possible. Minus 13 divided by 0, not possible. So in this way we have learned rules of division of integers. They are: we cannot divide any number by 0. Quotient or division of two positive numbers is positive number. Quotient of two negative number is also a positive number. Quotient of positive number and negative number is always negative number. So we will solve practice set 9. First example is minus 96 divided by 16. So this can be written as minus 96 divided by 16. 96 can be written as 16 into 6 divided by 16 into 1. Out of that minus sign, because it is a minus 1. 16 gets cancelled. So minus 6 divided by 1, it will be minus 6. Second example is 98 divided by minus 28. So it can be written as 98 divided by minus 28. 98 can be written as 2 into 49. Keep this minus outside and just think about 28. 28 can be written as 2 into 14. So 2 is present in numerator and denominator. It will get cancelled. What is remaining? 49 minus sign and 14. So it will be 49 divided by minus 14. Now these two numbers are present in 7's table. So it will be written as 7 into 7 divided by minus sign as it is, and 14 just can be written as 7 into 2. So again 7 is present in numerator and denominator, so it will get cancelled. Remaining is 7 minus 2. So it is 7 minus 2. But we are not writing negative in denominator. Denominator should be positive. So answer will be minus 7 divided by 2. Next example is minus 51 divided by 68. So it will be written as minus 51 divided by 68. These both numbers are present in 17's table. So 51 can be written as 17 into 3 and minus sign as it is. Divided by 68 can be written as 17 into 4. 17 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 3 divided by 4. So answer will be minus 3 divided by 4. Next example is 38 divided by minus 57. So it will be written as 38 divided by minus 57. These both numbers are present in 19's table. So 38 can be written as 19 into 2. Don't think about negative sign. Negative sign just write as it is. 57 can be written as 19 into 3. So 19, it will get cancelled. 2 divided by minus 3. So it will be the answer. Next example is minus 85 divided by 20. So it will be written as minus 85 divided by 20. So these both are present in 5's table because at last 5 is present and here 0 is present. So according to divisibility rule of 5, these two numbers are present in 5's table. So 85 can be written as minus sign as it is. 85 will be written as 5 into 13 and 20 can be written as 5 into 4. 5 gets cancelled. Remaining is just minus 13 divided by 4. So after this division is not possible because 13 is a prime number. So from your practice set 9, I have solved first 5 examples. Next 5 examples you have to solve in your notebook. Now see second question. Write the 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by 5 is the shortest form of this integer because 5 is prime number and after this division is not possible. So we want to get this form of 3 pairs of integers. So how to do that? See, I will do 24 divided by 5. Suppose to numerator and denominator I will multiply by 2. So 24 into 2 it will be 48 divided by 10. So this will be the first pair of integers or first division of integer which gives this form. Condition is that whatever number you are multiplying with 24 by 5, that should be same. You have to multiply by 2 to numerator also and by 2 to denominator also. Means this number should be same. Now we will find second pair. 24 divided by 5. Suppose multiply by 3. So by 3 we have to multiply to numerator also and to denominator also. Now 24 into 3. Its answer will be 72. Like that 5 into 3 it will be 15. This is second division of integers which gives this form. Now to get third division, suppose I am going to multiply by minus 5 to numerator. So with same we have to multiply denominator minus 5. Now 24 into minus 5 it will be 120. But as one number is positive multiplied by negative number, answer will be negative. 5 multiplied by minus 5, it will be minus 25. Now consider this number. Negative integer is divided by negative integer. So what will be answer? Positive. So it will be negative gets cancelled. 120 divided by 25. This will be third division, which gives form 24 by 5. So third example is exactly same like second. We have to obtain the last form of division, minus 5 by 7. Like this we have done. By any number we have to multiply to numerator and denominator. Like that, find the answer for question number 3 and solve that in your notebook. Fourth question is, the fish in the pond below this pond carry some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers, and choose 4 other pairs and carry out divisions with these numbers. For example, consider this minus 3 and minus 15. This number you have choose. So their multiplication operation you have to do, find the answer. Like this, 4 pairs for multiplication and 4 pairs for division. Just choose from this fish tank and solve that.